Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. So if you have the Avata 2, I want to show you guys a little accessory that I think might be very beneficial. These are little motor caps, and what these do is prevent dust and debris from getting into your motors when you're flying in, questionable areas. Now this kit comes with 4 of the caps. You have 4 motors, and you also have the replacement screws that come with it as well. So I think for a lot of us, who fly in dusty, rainy, snowy environments, this could be a win. Definitely take a look at these. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install these. Now I'm not going to make you sit through and watch me install each and every one of these, but we're going to install one. So we're just going to take one of the propellers out. This is very simple to do. You're just going to hold it in place, and you're going to grab this little screwdriver that is included, and you're just going to rotate and break it free like so. And we're going to take that screw out. All right, there's the first one. Now I don't think this is magnetic. It's not. So I'm just going to drop the screw in there just so I keep track of it. And then here's the second screw. We're going to take that guy out as well. Again, all you're doing is holding the propeller so it doesn't move, and you're going to screw this out. All right, so once you remove the second screw, the propeller should just come right off like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add the motor cap. So let's grab one of these motor caps. You guys can see there's a little rod right here at the top that's going to sit directly on that. So you're going to drop that guy on like so, and you're just going to screw that down until it becomes flush. And then you're going to take your second screw. You're going to do basically the same thing. You're just going to line it up. You should be able to see the hole there. These screws do pop out. This is not magnetic, so you may have to do a little bit of maneuvering to get it right in place. And then you're just going to tighten this guy down as well. You have these 2 little prongs right here, and you want to make sure that this sits into those little prongs. And you're just going to line that up. Set those guys in there. All right, so you're going to put in both screws like I showed you guys before. So you're going to have 2 of those longer screws, and they're going to just seat right in here. Once you get the first one started, the second one's going to be a lot easier. This propeller on here, and we also have our little motor cap to protect it from debris and things like that getting in. So I think this is a win. Plus it looks really good on the drone. So definitely check this out, guys. If you're looking for a way to protect your drones, especially if you're flying in some questionable areas, this could be a great accessory to have. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.